I've got a beautiful cut of salmon here. I'd like to thank my friends over at Catalina Offshore Products in San Diego, California. They took the opportunity to share some of their lovely fresh seafood with me. What we're going to do here is we're going to take the salmon and just go with the basics today. I love myself a little bit of olive oil right here. Just drizzle that on. Look at this. Just drizzle on top of the salmon here. And then we're just going to take a combination of salt, pepper, and garlic. To get this on the Kamado shortly. It's getting up to temperature. When that gets up to about 475, we want that grill hot. We're going to get the salmon on there and get the cooking. I've got some salsa that I would love to share with you how to make. We're actually going to be making some mango avocado salsa for our tacos today. Our ingredients today are going to be mango, avocado, red onion, red bell pepper, and some lime. So all we need to do is just combine our ingredients together here. Red bell pepper, yellow mango, avocado, and our red onion. Take a little bit of lime here, and we're going to take the lime and squeeze it over the salsa. Just drizzle it on. And then what you want to do with this is you want to take this and you want to go ahead and set it in your fridge for about 10 or 15 minutes and let it cure. Now comes my favorite part of the taco recipe I love. This is just a little spin that I wanted to share with you that I love on my tacos. Basic ingredients are some crema Mexicana, and then I've got some Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce here. We're going to combine these together here, and we're going to make our crema topping for our tacos. Here's why we need the blender here. We're going to take our crema here and combine this together, and then watch this. This is the magic I love right here. We're going to go ahead and chop, 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 and then grind. Lime, a little bit of lime in there. Stop here. And that crema sauce. Oh yeah, this is going to be amazing. I've got some tortillas here. Here's the part of the fun. We're actually going to be using some duck fat here on this cast iron open griddle here. The tomahawk's coming along beautifully, by the way. And what we want to do is we want to take these tortillas, just toss them on top of that duck fat, get a little bit of that flavor going here, and let the half moon griddle do its thing. I've got all my ingredients here to build my taco. We've got our salmon here. I've got my chipotle crema. I've got my mango salsa and a little bit of cilantro to go on top. And the most important thing of all, we got our tortillas. Let's get to building our taco. So nice and simple. I'm gonna take some salmon here, just pork tender, put that on top here. Then what we want to do is we want to take our crema sauce here. We want to drizzle, ooh, look at that. Drizzle that on there. We want to take our mango pineapple salsa here. Just kind of drizzle that on top. Just a little bit of that color. Look at that. And to finish it off, fresh off, just a little bit of cilantro right here. Hey, I have to taste this. That's going to be amazing. So let's take a bite. You know, I'm just going to top a little bit more on top of here. There we go. Just enough. Let's go for it. I'm liking this. Pretty good. Pretty good stuff. Simple, good flavor. A little bit of sweetness with that mango salsa. You can taste the peppers and the onion, the cilantro, the lime. And the salmon tastes amazing. Nice and simple. You can probably do this in probably 10 to 20 minutes on your grill.